Welcome to Coloring Book Factory, a new way to create professional coloring books with AI. Here, you can generate stunning line art, design beautiful layouts, and export print-ready PDFs for Amazon KDP Publishing, or create books for personal printing through RPI Blurb, all in one place. This project was created to make the coloring book process easier, faster, and more inspiring, whether you're just getting started or already building books of your own. In this video, I'm going to introduce you to the platform and show you how to begin your journey inside Coloring Book Factory. Let's get started. Here is the landing page. At the top, click the Get Started button. Now we're at the Sign Up Registration step, and this part is very simple. To create your new Coloring Book Factory account, you only need to enter three things: your full name, your email address, and your password. First, type in your full name exactly the way you want it associated with your account. Next, enter the email address you want to use for logging in. Then create your password and enter it into the password field. Once those three fields are complete, you'll be ready to submit your registration and create your account. This process is designed to be quick and straightforward, so getting started should only take a moment. One important thing to keep in mind is that your email address must be unique in the system. If the email address you enter has already been registered before, the system will not allow that same email to be used again for a new account. If that happens, simply replace it with another email address that belongs to you and has not already been used for registration. Then continue with the sign-up process. So again, the registration is easy. Enter your full name, enter your email address, create your password, and submit. In just a few steps, you'll have your new account ready, and then you'll be able to move forward into the platform and begin using Coloring Book Factory. Let's go ahead and complete the registration now. Here is where you can make a new book project. Click Help. The Help section contains everything to make the creation process simple and automated. Click the ChatGPT Scripts button. Scroll down and click the copy button below Need Inspiration? Start here. Then continue scrolling all the way down and click the Open ChatGPT button. Once here, paste the copied text into ChatGPT and activate the prompt. In a few seconds, ChatGPT will return your first list of 20 project ideas. You can always edit the inspiration prompt and re-enter it to generate other project ideas, as seen here. From your list of 20 ideas, inspect and select the one you will use as your first project idea. To keep things organized, go to your File Manager and create a new folder. This will be your new book projects repository. Back at your ChatGPT Scripts page, scroll up and toggle on Use Safer Scripts. Scroll down and select Safe Script 4. Scroll down some more and click Copy Script. Make a new script text file and paste the copied script into it. Returning to your 20 ideas, highlight and copy your first project idea. Then on your script, paste it in between the curly concept brackets. The next two steps are applying the trim size and the requested page count. The tool is designed for the following trim sizes of 8.5 by 11, 8 by 10, 6 by 9, and 5.5 by 8.5, but building for RPI Blurb, do not use 8.5 by 11. For the requested page count, you can enter any value within the range of 25 through 50 pages. Enter 8 by 10 for the trim size and 50 for the page count. Once you've entered your concept, trim size, and page count, scroll up and highlight all of the script. Copy it, then go back to ChatGPT in your browser. Paste the copied text into ChatGPT and activate it. Once ChatGPT has finished, it will have built everything you need for your project. Scroll up and highlight everything from full Abacus project on down. Copy it, create a new text file, label it prompt.txt, open it and paste the copied text into it. Save it, and now you have your complete script for your new project. It contains project name, niche, sub-niche, target audience, theme description, default settings, and page descriptions. Now go back to your ChatGPT scripts page. Scroll all the way up and then click the Back to Dashboard button. Click New Project. On this page, from your completed script, you will enter project name, niche, sub-niche, target audience, theme description, toggle and paste your page descriptions. Type your author's name. Enter your exact page count. Set your desired trim size. Ensure your print provider is correctly set. Toggle Include Captions. Toggle Page Frames and select one of 3 possible styles. Finally, create project. Now comes the key step. You'll need to pay for your book generation. You're welcome to leave a tip if you'd like. Once your payment is complete, you can begin generating your book. Go ahead and click the Pay button. Click the Generate Images button. Once you click it, the AI tool will automatically create each of the coloring book images based on your page descriptions. There will be times when the tool will lose connection, but it will automatically retry until it can reconnect. As it kicks you out, it will display the pages that it's generated up to the first 10 pages. Once the pages have finished generating completely, you will need to go through and inspect each group of pages. You have 2 controls available per image to allow you to regenerate any image you are dissatisfied with. However, I do not recommend clicking any buttons until after all the pages have finished the generation process. Once all the images have generated, it is time to generate the interior PDF. Go ahead and click the Generate Interior PDF button. When the content has finished generating, click the Generate Cover PDF button. Then, once the front cover has completed, it is time to generate the cover wrap. Click it, and now you're on the cover wrap form. Here you will always see any special submission notes concerning your target printing facility. Scroll down and apply up to 4 thumbnail pages to be placed upon the back cover. Click the Generate Back Cover Art and Copy button. Once the back cover art has finished generating, go ahead and click the Generate Wrap PDF button. Download the cover wrap, the front cover, and the content. Cut them from your download folder and paste them into your projects folder. Rename the interior file to content.pdf. Shorten the cover file to just cover.pdf. And change the wrap cover file to just cover-wrap.pdf. Now, you can inspect your new coloring book PDFs in Acrobat. Here is the cover art. The back cover has the cover copy text, its thumbnails, its author's name in the lower left corner, a reserved area on the lower right back cover side for an ISBN number. The spine, when the page count is sufficient, will have the book title and the author's name. And the front cover has the title overlaying an upper shaded backdrop, and the author's name is also in a shaded backdrop towards the bottom. Finally, you can page through the content. The book is now ready for you to submit to RPI Blurb at their website, or if you generated it specifying the KDP process, you can submit it to your Amazon bookshelf. That's it. You're ready to go. Enjoy Coloring Book Factory and have fun exploring all it can do. Now bring your ideas to life and start creating your next amazing book.